Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to make everyone see your birthday on the X app. If you want your friends or followers to recognize your special day on your profile or in their timeline, the app gives you full control over who can see it. Let's walk through each step one by one. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account where you want to show your birthday. Once you're on the main feed, look toward the top left corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture. That will open a side menu, and from there, choose your profile to head straight to your page. Next, on your profile page, find and tap the Edit Profile button. This is where you can change your profile photo, name, bio, and also your birthday details. Now, look for the section labeled Date of Birth and tap on it. You'll see options that let you control who can see your birthday. Under the label that says Who can see this, you'll find two options, one for the month and day and another for the year. To make your birthday completely visible to everyone on X, tap on month and day first and choose public from the list of visibility settings. Then do the same for the year and again select public. This ensures that both the exact date and the year you were born will be visible to anyone who visits your profile. After adjusting both settings, tap continue and then save. The changes will be applied instantly and your birthday will now appear publicly on your X profile. Whenever your birthday comes around, your followers will see a fun celebrations moment right on your page. And that's it. You've just made your birthday visible to everyone on X with only a few quick taps. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out other tutorials for more updated tips on managing your X profile.